RockStopperz kit includes a pre-mixed tack and cleaning solution. If your vehicle is clean, you can use it to prepare the painted surface for the installation. Please note, if your vehicle has any special waxes or ceramic coatings, they will need to be removed before installation as they may prevent the film from adhering. Refer to the kit diagram to familiarize yourself with where each piece will be installed. Clean the painted surface with your tack solution and microfiber towel. Locate the correct piece for the section you are working on. Spray the section just below the door hinge with your tack solution. Spray your hands with your tack solution to help prevent placing fingerprints in your film. Peel the protection film from the liner and spray the adhesive side with your tack solution. Align your film piece so that the edges aren't hanging over areas where you won't have good contact with the paint. Spray the top of the film with your tack solution and begin squeegeeing out the tack solution beneath the film. Be sure to use good firm pressure and overlapping passes. Dry your film kit and repeat the steps for the remaining pieces. To install the door check arm bracket protection, you will first need to remove the bolt that attaches it to the door sill by using a T40 Torx bit. You should have one in your factory toolkit. You will install these pieces just like the ratchet protection pieces. Just be sure to align the kit so that you are not covering the bolt hole. Also, be sure to reattach the check bracket to the door sill when done to avoid vehicle damage. The hood and windshield hinges will be installed dry, just like our original RockStopperz door hinge protection kits. Start by cleaning the hinges with your provided tack solution. Since we are installing these dry, it is important to not pull the film piece off of the release liner as that could cause fingerprints in your film. Instead, peel each piece partially away from the liner and attach the exposed adhesive before working the piece down. Your protection film kit also includes extra pieces and some additional extra film to use as you like. Please wait 48 hours before your next car wash.